Good morning, team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm home. So guys, I want to come and do an unboxing for you guys. I have been wanting to have this thing for a very long time, but I couldn't lay my hands on it. So now is the holiday season. They do sometimes have it once in a while. So I was checking the store. I got the the newspaper from the Lidl and from the Aldi, and then I saw that they have this food warmer there if you have like a party or program or something. So I saw it and I was like, hey, I want this one too. And also my wife wanted it. When I said my wife, I mean my brother's wife, but I like to say my wife. And she also, so I sent her a picture. I'm like, hey, this thing that we are looking for, because we both were looking for it. I said they have it now in the Aldi, so you have to make sure you go there early in the morning and check it out. But she also have to work and all of that. And so I was like, okay, I will go early in the morning and check. On that day, I have driving lessons. So I was supposed to be at my driving lessons at 9 o'clock and the shops open at 8. So I was like, okay, I'm going to be there sharp 8, pick these things up and bring them home and then go back to the driving. I don't know what happened. I was following a prayer service online. I don't know. I tried to stay awake for a long time and then suddenly I fell asleep and I didn't wake up till 8:20. It was on Saturday. So I didn't wake up till 8:20, and also the kids didn't wake up that early. They didn't wake up that early in the morning, so I didn't wake up either. I don't know. I think I don't know what happened, and then I scared wake. I look at the time; it was like 8:20. So I just put on my clothes, ran, take the bicycle with my son, ran to the shop because I was thinking if I pick it up, I will let him bring it at home. Whilst I would just go to my lessons immediately. We went to the shop, everything was sold out. I think they only had maybe like 3 or 4 in the store because it was sold out. I was like, oh my God. So I sent her a message. I was like, yeah, the thing is sold out. They didn't have it. Long story short, I went to driving. So we are driving, and then we come across an Aldi in Arnhem where we are driving. So I tell my driving instructor, hey, I want to check the Aldi. I know this is my driving hour, but I want to check the Aldi just for 5 minutes, please. And he was like, okay. So we drive around and then we go to the Aldi, and then I jump out of the car. I run to the store to check if they have this thing. And when I went there, they only had two, and I pick both of the two. And then as soon as I'm putting both of them in my car, in the car, the shopping car, and one old man come and say, can I have one? And I was like, I'm sorry, but no, I need both of them. I need even 4, because the plan was I want to get 2 for myself and 2 for my wife, so she also have her own and I have my own, but they didn't have it. So I thought, you know what, let me just get 2 of them. We're family. If she needs it, she come and pick it up. If I need it, I go and pick it up. We'll share it among each other until when we can find another one so that everyone can have their own. So this is what I'm talking about. This food warmer. I have been wanting to have this, even though we don't have that big program, but sometimes we have kids. You guys know I have 3 kids and she also have 3 kids. I have 3 nieces, is that what you call it? Yeah. So we do have birthday parties in the year because we have the kids, my kids and their and her kids shares the birthdays in the same month. So it's like we have March, we have November, we have September, so it's like we have May. I'm the only one that doesn't share any birthday dates with anyone in my family. It's crazy. But I do share with other family members, but here I don't. So I thought, you know what, we need this thing. So sometimes we'll make birthday parties for the kids, which is just family, just us. We need something like this where we can put the food and the food will stay warm, cook the food and put it there, so we don't need to be going to the kitchen. We can enjoy ourselves at home. And maybe sometimes if we're just having family gathering and we don't want to be going in the kitchen up and down, we can just cook and put everything in here for it to warm. We can just be chilling and all of that. So that's the idea we both have in our mind. So, but we couldn't get 4, so I only able to lay my hands on 2. So I want to come and show you guys how this look. I want us to come and do an unboxing. Let me bring down this camera a little bit. So I want to come and do an unboxing. This one have 3-year guarantee. Every time you buy product from the Aldi, when it comes to electronic or any kind of electronic stuff, it always have 3-year guarantee. So you always have to make sure you have the receipt and print the receipt or screenshot and send it in your emails, stuff like that. That's what I always do. So let's do an unboxing of this product. I do have 2. I picked up 2, but I'm not going to open both of them. I just want to show you guys how one of them look. I think I need to bring the camera a little bit down. Yeah, just want to show you how both of them look. So if you guys hear noise in the background, my daughter is sitting down right here. I need to get a knife or a scissors or something. Mevrouw, wat ben je aan het doen? Weg daar. So let's just open one and see. Even though I'm not ready to use it right now, maybe on Christmas Day I'm going to be needing it. Not too sure yet, but maybe one. But let's open it and see how it looks. So when you open it, this is what you get. Let's try to bring it up. I'm supposed to turn it over, but it's okay. Okay, so you see nothing in the box anymore. Let's just put the box aside and let's try to turn it over because it's supposed to be like this. I'm supposed. So put the camera down a little bit. Like the camera is coming all the way down. So this is what you get when you open it. This is so handy. It's really nice to have at home if you have kids, you have family members, you guys spend time together. This is so handy to have, and I'm really excited that I really have this one. But after driving, to bring this home was a challenge because it was a challenge. I struggled on the way to bring this because my driver don't drive me all the way home, so he stopped me at the station of Arnhem and then I come back to my own house. So it was a little bit of struggle to bring both of them at home, but you know what, I did anyway. I struggle myself and I bring it home. So you get this one. Let's put this one here, and then you got 3 of these containers. You see, you get 3 of these containers. They are not really super big, but I feel like they are okay. And then you get the cover. Let's put this one aside, and then you have 4. You have 2 big ones and 2 tiny ones. I'm going to later pack everything back, but I just want to show you guys. So you have this one and this one, and then you have 2 tiny ones where you can add maybe your vegetables. Maybe you're making spicy bone or some vegetables. You can add some vegetables here, or you can even have some sauce in there. You know, for example, you make like I don't know the name of the food in English, but you know the meatball. You make meatball. You can put the meatball here, put the sauce in here. You know how you make those meatball with granite soup? Not a granite soup, not the granite soup to eat, the one you eat with rice, but we call it pina sauce. I don't know the pina satay sauce. If you're a Dutch, help me translate that in English. But you can put one of them here and put the meatball here, and it's good. So now you have this one, and this one, what I like about this one is electronic. You don't need to, because I've seen the ones that you can put fire, you have to put candle underneath, and I didn't actually want that because I have kids at home. my girls, you can tell them, don't touch this thing, don't go ahead. And you have here your quarantine. You have telephone numbers for guarantee in case something happened. You can contact them, or you can even sign up or everything so that they know. So you have this one, and here you have the instruction book on everything on how to use it. So you always have to make sure you keep these two close to you for in case. So you have the pan, you guys can see. So how I see the dewy, this one goes on top. Is it like this one? Yeah. So this one goes on top. You can self. Ben je zo blij? Yeah. Oh, okay. You can put it however you desire. If you want, you can put this one's in the middle and this one here. It's all about what you want. But this is it, and it's electric. You know, electric. And the instruction is, before ever you use this one, you have to make sure you put it on for 10 minutes so that it warms. And never put cold food inside, expecting the thing to warm the cold food. You always have to make sure you put warm food inside, and so that it keep on warming. So yeah, this is it. I'm really happy. I'm super excited. I can't wait to try this. Definitely on Christmas Day, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try it. It's just going to be family. We're gonna cook something and put it in, just so I know it's working. So you know, you don't keep it here, and then when it's time for you to use it, it doesn't work. So I don't want that. Before I be actually still. Yeah. So yeah. This is just a quick unboxing. I'm just gonna open one. I'm not gonna open both of them because this one I also have to just pack it back and put it in. I really wanted to see how it looked also personally. That's the reason why I decided to open it as well, and also to show you guys. So if you guys live in Holland or any other country, you can be watching. Sometimes I get the newspaper, so I'm always watching at the store, the Aldi, the Lidl, especially the Aldi, because they always have some really good stuff and at a very affordable price, you know. So sometimes they really have good quality. Sometimes people think that, oh, the most high quality things are the most expensive ones. No, I've bought some stuff from the Aldi which last me for a longer time than the ones I bought from those shops that you guys know of. So I'm really happy with this one. I'm super excited. I wish I would have get 4 of this. But yeah, I got 2. 2 is better than nothing, you know. So I'm really happy, and yeah, I can't wait to prove it, to sample it, you know, to sample it and to see if when it's time for me to use it and sample it, I'm going to show you guys how it looks and whatever I put in it. You guys know Christmas is coming. Maybe we're gonna do a little bit of Christmas vlog on that day. I'm not too sure, because sometimes I don't really vlog, sometimes I do, because sometimes you just want to spend time with family and have fun. You don't want all the time camera to be on your face. But sometimes I'd like to share 1 or 2 things. But yeah, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'm super excited. Like, you know, I'm super excited. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm jiggy, baby. You know I want you. Hey, thank you guys so much. Peace out.